Hi guys, thanks for joining me today again. Last video we calculated how to calculate land transfer tax, and in another video we calculated how to do insurance, CHMC insurance. And today we want to just go through the basic mortgage. So how the number look like when you pay, how much interest, how much principal, and what's the balance left every year, and what is total amortization is, and those type of things. So let's jump into it. First of all, just go here, benbasra.ca, which is my website, and you go in buying. There's calculator here. Click on calculator. In calculators, you can do the mortgage calculation. So we can actually go on mortgage calculation, and here you can put any number what your asking price is, whatever property you're buying for. Let's say we will put the same number as like last time we put at $675,000. Let's say you're buying condo in downtown, and then you press go, and this will be your minimum payment. If you are putting minimum payment on $675,000 worth condo, it will be $42,500. In case you want to put 10%, then put 67,000, and with the 15% you put 101,250. And if you put 20%, you need $135,000. So you have to pay insurance when you're paying less than 20%. So this goes according to how much you're putting it down. If you're putting it down minimum this much amount, then you have to pay $25,300 insurance, CHMC insurance, and with this number down you pay $18,000. And with $100,000 putting down on $675,000 condo, you will be paying $16,000, $65. With 20%, you don't pay any insurance. And where this amount is added, this amount get added into your loan, your mortgage. So then you amortization, by 25 years, whatever it is. So here's the amortization period. And when you're putting less than 20%, you can go only up to 25 years amortization. Here with the 20%, you can go up to, I think, easily 30 years amortization. And here you can, pick up the rate, what sort of interest rate you're getting. Let's say you're getting 1.50, 1.5% for this scenario. And let's say you're getting 2%. If you're getting 2%, and let's say you're getting maybe 2.5%, 2.5%, then with the 20% down also, let's say you're getting for 2.5%. Okay, so now this is your purchase price, this is your down payments with different percentage, and this is the total mortgage you required in each different scenario, and this is your amortization period, and this is your interest rate. And with that, according to that, monthly you will be paying $2,629 mortgage if you buy $675,000 and you put only this much down, and this is how much your mortgage is going to be. And according to same way here, with this amount, this payment, this amount, this payment, and this with the 20% down, you will be paying $2,130 mortgage every month. Okay, then next thing is what's the land transfer tax on it. As we discussed earlier, if you are in Toronto, you are paying two different taxes, like twice the same tax. But if you are not in Toronto, you are in Brampton, Mississauga, or in suburb like Vaughan or whatever, then you will be paying one of this tax. So now we're going to do the same thing. We are not in Toronto. Let's say we are in Vaughan, and your one tax is gone, so you will be paying only $9,000. Let's say you're a first-time buyer, and then you will get $4,000 rebate, so you will be paying only $5,975. But you need to qualify to get this rebate, and there's a few conditions how you qualify for that, and then I will not go there now. But if you needed to ask me a question about it, I will help you, no problem with that. And how much cash basically you need, if you're buying this is a, let's say, condominium. Cash required cash is approximately, in one, with the scenario one, you need about $42,000 down payment, and this is a PST on mortgage insurance. The mortgage you are paying this year, like a $25,000 they are paying insurance, so you have to pay PST on this amount, because the balance amount, whatever for the mortgage is, that's $2,000. So make sure you don't miss this, because this PST is on a mortgage insurance you have to pay. And there's land transfer tax, 5,900, and the lawyer fee approximately, let's calculate about $1,000, and title insurance about $500-600, whatever. And another, this is a status certificate. If you're buying a resale condo, it's not a brand new, so you need to basically status certificate to review because you want to know exactly how much they have in reserve funds and stuff, all these things. So total cash, $52,000 you need maybe on your closing. And sometimes if you're buying resale properties, you need to get home inspection fee. You may need to get appraisal fee. In certain situations, a bank, they will reimburse this $300 to you, but depend on situation, how it is. So monthly expense, so you will know totally monthly expense. You need internet, you need cable, you need a property insurance, you need utilities, and here tax, you can put like you're paying maybe $200 tax or some, property tax. So you need about $3,000 every month. Interest, risk, and let's say jump into amortization. So in amortization, you will know in how fast you will able to pay your mortgage. If you have a signed 5-year term, so in 5 years, first year you will pay this much total amount of money, and how much money this much will go to the principal amount, and this will go against interest. So you can see here, interest is less, more is principal, because of interest rates are pretty low. That's why your majority of money a lot of money will go against your principal amount. So then the same way you will know actually every year how much you're paying the principal, how much you're paying the interest, and eventually when your property will be totally paid. So I hope just go on our website and punch some numbers, whatever your purchase price is, what sort of interest rate you are getting in the market, and you will know how much money you need every month in order to pay your mortgage and other bills and stuff. And well, if you need any other information in regards to this, feel free. I'm Ben Basra from Remax Metropolis Realty, and also I'm licensed broker for mortgage agent. So whatever you need, just I'm a phone call away, or just send me the email or through my website, whatever. I will able to help you. Thank you.